Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Walletvpn token. Now the Walletvpn token is in the midst of their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They're already doing very well. They've already surpassed their soft cap here, and they still have more than 2.5 days left to go on this pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Walletvpn token. So this token is for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance for about another 2.5 days. Looks like it's a public pre-sale. It doesn't say whitelist only or anything like that. So far, they've had 100 investors contribute to this pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 10,000 USDT. So usually the pre-sales on Pinksale are done in BNB. Sometimes BUSD, sometimes USDT, sometimes Ethereum, things like that. This one's in USDT, so it's set at 10,000 USDT, the soft cap. There is no hard cap, so this pre-sale is just going to continue for another 2.5 days. And they've already surpassed that. They're at 15,422 USDT sold already. They're actually trending, I believe. Yeah, they're trending in the number 3 spot right now. Walletvpn is the name of the token. Wvpn is the ticker symbol. They have a full audit here listed on Pinksale. So they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view that PDF on Pinksale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to Pinksale to verify who they are for security reasons. They also have a bunch of socials. They have a Reddit, Discord, they got a GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, official webpage. It says Walletvpn, 0% buy and sell taxes, unchain assets, stay private, no KYC procedures, TOR enabled, full utility, web browser, app Android, iOS coming soon, swap, DAO, multi-wallet function, massive marketing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Central Exchange, AveDex, Dex Tools, Trendings, top influencers, callers, and Binance Ask Me Anything. So all sorts of good stuff on here. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 700,000 tokens. 376,000 tokens for pre-sale. 182,000 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $22.8 million. So yeah, that's a big initial market cap estimate. Usually they're way smaller than that. So if you missed this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any more new tokens. But second of all, you can get this token shortly afterwards, after the pre-sale is over, on PancakeSwap. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 391 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 53.7% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 26.02% of the tokens go to liquidity, 9.1% of the tokens go to staking, 5% go to team, 6% go to central exchange listings. Now, there is a free and quick light audit here by BlockSeifu in the discussion section on Pinksale, and there's all good check marks on it. No bad warnings or anything like that. It says the owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. The owner cannot set max transaction. The owner cannot set a blacklist. The owner cannot set fees. And the owner cannot pause trading. And proxy contract in token is not found. Now, They do have a web page here, Walletvpn.io, that does have a full white paper on it. It says Walletvpn brings you a multi-currency that supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Zcash, fully protected with an innovation in the process. Where for registration there is no need for KYC procedures thanks to the TOR networks and protocols that complement our Walletvpn. It has a strong and user-centric architecture in which its users have their own keys and their own privacy. A web version, an Android platform, iOS coming soon with fully intuitive visual aspects, conditioning from the most experts in the market, even the first contract, so the grammar is a little bit off on here. This is probably translated from a different language anyways. It says it's fully decentralized. Transactions can be made anywhere, anytime, as long as there is internet, no custody. There is very important factors for investors. They have total control over their funds. Walletvpn unites the most current DeFi concepts, stock alerts, and even investor guidance. Everything to bring our investors a unique and exclusive experience. Walletvpn developed a range of digital currency wallets with a web-based exchange, iOS and Android devices capable of storing 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Monero, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and more. Walletvpn family includes multi-wallet, 30 individual wallets, each tailored to a specific currency. Their objective is from day one for users to become familiar with more popular cryptocurrencies without having to delve into specific technical features and complex configurations. Their team consists of 30 people, it says. Reputation matters, unchained assets, go borderless, stay private. They show you what the app interface looks like on their page here. Let's skip down to the roadmap here. So they're starting with stage 1, team marketing, system analysis and design, develop smart contracts, white paper release, audit the smart contract, and KYC. Stage 2 coming up next is going to be CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing. AveDex listing, then they're they're wrapping up their pink sale, pre-sale right now, then massive marketing and launch on PancakeSwap. Stage 3 is going to be the app mobile release for Android. Following that will be the iOS mobile release, then multi-chain support, then chatbot partnerships, staking and farming, central exchange listings coming after that in stage 4. Then decentralized exchange trading with Wvpn token, browser extension, launchpad planning, launchpad UI, UX designer. Stage 5, launchpad development, launchpad test, and launchpad release for the mobile. Cross-chain, then build a collection of NFTs, then they're going to have an NFT giveaway, and then there's going to be more updates following that in the future. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about Walletvpn down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.